Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video we would like to print even numbers from 0 to 10 using a while loop. So first of all, the first even number is number 2. So number 2 is assigned to a variable called num, which is of integer data type. Then we use a while loop to print only the even numbers. So we say as long as this num variable, which is equal to 2, is less than or equal to 10, enter this while loop. Why less than or equal to 10? Because we want to have the even numbers between 0 and 10. So we don't want to go over that. We could go, but this is the problem statement for the moment. So 2, is it less than 10? Yes. So print number 2. You see it here. Print number 2 in the first iteration. Then increment the value of the variable num by 2 values. Now it was 2, it will become 4 now. So 4 less than or equal to 10, yes, so print 4. So we see 4 here, and then increment 2 more unit to it. So now 4 became 6, 6 less than 10, yes, print 6, and then add 2 more values, so we see 6 here. Then 8 less than 10, print 8, incremented by another 2 value, so we have 8 here, and then 10 is less than or equal to 10, yes, so print 10, and then increment this value by another 2 units, so it will become 12. 12, is it less than 10? No, this statement is not correct. Therefore, we are not going to enter this while loop anymore. So the program is finished, and we see that here we are having any even numbers between 0 and 10. We could have, for example, here we could have like between 0 and 20, for example. So when I run the code, you're going to see from 0 to 20, all the even numbers are being printed here. 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, and finally here 20. So this is how we can use a while loop in order to print even numbers. Thank you for watching.